In this episode, we rip apart the heart and soul of C-Froo.
There's a blockage. There we go. Hang on. This is all lumpy up. Right, there we go. Yeah. Oh, that's disgusting.
So the first thing we've got to do is to pull the gearbox off.
Lovely. Oops. Sorry to get this on.
Can you
Feed it through.
I can't see where it is. Guide me.
There.
Hold on. Get back.
Right.
It's going to be fun.
That's not. It's probably going to come off now, isn't it?
Right, you're in there.
Right.
Must be there.
Just pick
What
up.
do you want me
Just pick up everything.
There we are, look at that.
How we looking? Dusty.
Cobwebby.
Oh.
Very cobwebby.
Oh. Might as well.
Watery.
Do you want a light?
Cobwebs. Ooh, nasty. Look at that. Ow.
Water everywhere, as to be expected. Oh. That's a dead spider. Look at that thing.
Yee.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't focus on it. Oh, nasty.
That's a good one.
We're free. That side's off.
Next.
Next. I'll tease it.
What's going on?
Look at that. Look at that.
Ta-da! Oh my god, it's full of water.
I did tell you it'd be
Yeah,
full
I
of
know,
water.
but I thought we drained it all.
There's one. Full to the brim.
Yeah, but that's full with the brim of water.
And so is that right?
Oh my. Wow. And that one's full of rust as well.
Not bigger than anything.
Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Ooh.
What?
That is horrible. Look at that.
Oh wow.
We've got to dig all that out.
Yay.
Yay. Maybe we should have started with another engine.
Should we just put it in the bin?
Or just get shot.
Just put it in the bin.
Yeah,
That'll be
maybe.
alright.
Maybe.
Bodge it.
I've never had to do this before.
Whoa! It's on it. That hit your foot?
Yeah. It's all good. I've got another foot.
That hit on top?
Yeah. It's fine.
I'm still standing.
Loads of your fun out. Okay, where? Anywhere the wind blows.
Lob.
If this falls on my foot.
No, make sure it doesn't. I'd rather not. Hang on.
Yeah, alright, I'm just gently prising it. Yeah. There's no water, but there's a lot more soil. Ay, ay, ay. How many creatures lived in here, we wonder? Should we have a competition?
Comment below.
That. More mess. Oh my.
Fresh. face.
Sorry, can't help the way the brush flicks. Actually, I can.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a grass one.
Oh.
Yes.
Woohoo. Oh, still attached here. Whoops. Says, come on, here you come.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, you little beauty. If I talk to it nicely,
Might do it.
it might do as it's told. It's not gonna know, is it? There's help from there.
Give it a little wiggle around.
Yeah, I have wonder if it's to do with that. Ah, well
There
done.
you go.
Well done.
Right.
Now we've got the fun bit.
What's that?
Rocker covers, heads, pistons and barrels.
It's that. Mate. So brown.
So brown.
Oil from earlier on.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
That's not oil, hang on.
Oh, it's almost like oil mixed with mud.
No, it's oil and water.
Look at that.
That's wrong. Ugh. Yikes. That came out of that. I don't think it's going to be a lot of cop. Do you?
No.
No.
Just looks like poo.
Oh, nice. Lower the tone, why don't you? Stand clear.
Probably gonna go. Huh.
Guess when it comes out of this hole. Standing back. Oh.
Oh. Not yet. It's getting
Oh, I knew it'd be stiff.
way.
Oh, the 11's here. Sorry, Jack.
Oh.
I don't want
Let's
to
get you lumpy.
Get my lumpy.
Oh. There's movement.
Ready?
Oh. Maybe a little bit.
That's quite a satisfying sound, though. After a Vindaloo. Hang fire.
Just stuff loaded in there.
True, it's fine.
Yes. Pour it
Oh
out.
dear, oh dear.
What?
In the state of that.
Yeah. Hold up to the light. There we go. That's perfect.
Oh dear.
Whoa.
Add it.
Yeah.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Probably did.
You probably do. There you go.
Lovely. It's black.
That's the main thing. But it's blobby.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's alright. Marvellous. Covered you in oil, I expect.
I'm covered in on anyway.
That's alright then.
That's right.
That's alright.
What are we doing? Ah. Oh. Hey. Ba-ding.
Ba-ching!
Toba.
Nearly did as well.
Oh dear. I'll go get the camera, yeah? There's, basically this is the same as the other side. But we'll do this bit here.
we're beat.
Yeah.
It's beating us. The pistons are well and truly stuck in the barrels. We're not getting them off. I've broken 1, 2, 3, 4 fins on the barrel trying to get it off.
Yeah.
The other side is exactly the same, so it looks like we'll be investing in a new engine.
Yeah. I would say so. There's no way we can get any further with different things that we've tried to get them off. So
It's dead.
yeah, well and truly.
So if anybody wants a door stop, get in contact. And it's yours. Have it. So until next time.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. A little bit gay.
Okay.
Bye.
Ah.